Welcome back to our channel, Plant with Us. But today we're going to discuss how to make liquid fertilizer for your plants. So it can go strong, healthy, and fast. I've been using this method for about maybe 3 months, and yeah, it's working for me. I'm sure it will work for you. It's a simple process. You just take some of your vegetable scraps like this, um, potato peels. Yeah, we just had some potato chips, so we're gonna just use this. Cut it. You can just cut it smaller pieces, small. Don't have to throw everything like in whole. Just can cut it small. This process is actually it really helps for your plants. Like I said before, yeah, you can take any kitchen scrap, and just try to cut it but smaller, so the process of liquefying it goes a little bit faster. Okay, this is something I've also learned. Right, there you have it. Now let's go to point number 2. Yeah, here we are back again. If my camera girl can just show you there how it looks. Just so let's keep kitchen scraps inside. This is now for we have this now for about 2 days. No, sorry. Um, this one is about 1 week old now. One is about 1 week old. That one's also about 2 weeks. You can see the difference. See the difference? That's really darker. I can guarantee you this stuff doesn't smell nice, but plants is worthwhile. And believe me, it will be worthwhile for you too. What you have to do is a week. Let's stay in it for 1 week or for 2 weeks. You can place the lid on, or you can leave the lid off. Doesn't even matter. But you must remember, when this stuff is ready for the plants, like we do it, we only use maybe a liter, 1 liter in a 20-liter bucket. Then we throw that 1 liter in, and we pour water in so we can dilute it. Otherwise, it will be too strong for your plants. And then, what's the use? You need, like I said, just a little bit, maybe a liter, and pour another maybe 19 liters with that water, with that liquid, and then you can give it to the plants. Yeah, you see, I'm taking the one that's really dark. We'll give it a little bit more. Now, as you can see, there's 1 liter, about 1 liter liquid fertilizer in. But this stuff is, to me, this stuff looks really strong. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna split it. So I can make 220 liters. There you give it. You see this? It's not like dark brown. This is okay for our plants. Now we come to the last part. Very important. Don't use this stuff on top of the leaves. Just use it on the ground where the roots are, so it can go down to the roots, and the roots can pick up the liquid, the fertilizer, so you can grow stronger and, like I said, faster. Um, yeah, let me show you. Come Kitty, come Kitty, come Kitty. My kid, there's one. Yeah, just try to throw it at the root. Oh, yeah, come to the end of this video, but make sure you click the notification button so you can stay updated for our next video, because it's an important one. Um, and then subscribe, like this video, and I hope you learn something, because I'm learning every day. Thanks.